किचन आइटम्स को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं आज हम सीखेंगे। प्लेट, दिस इज अ प्लेट। बोल, द बोल इज स्मॉल। स्पून, गिव मी अ स्पून। फोक, द फोक इज क्लीन। नाइफ, द नाइफ इज शार्प। ग्लास, द ग्लास इज फुल। कप, दिस इज माई कप। मग, my mug is blue. Bottle, open the bottle. Jar, the jar is empty. Griddle, put the roti on the griddle. Frying pan, put oil in the frying pan. Saucepan, I heat milk in a saucepan. Cooker, the cooker is hot. Kettle, tea is in the kettle. Grater, use the grater carefully. Peeler, peel the potato. Tray, bring the tray here. Lunch box, my lunch box is green. Rolling pin, she is using a rolling pin. Rolling board, keep the rolling board clean. Strainer, wash the strainer. Ladle, use the ladle. Spatula, flip it with the spatula. Tongs, hold it with the tongs. Whisk, mix it with the whisk. Chopping board, cut vegetables on the chopping board. Blender, make juice in the blender. Juicer, the juicer is easy to use. Microwave, heat the food in the microwave. Oven, bake the cake in the oven. Fridge, keep the milk in the fridge. Freezer, the ice cream in the freezer. Gas stove, turn on the gas stove. Burner, the burner is on. Sink, wash the plate in the sink. Tap, turn off the tap. Thermos, keep tea in a thermos. Water filter, drink water from the filter. Napkin, wipe your hands with a napkin. Tablecloth, tablecloth is new. Sieve, I am sifting flour with a sieve. Colander, I was flattened rice in a colander. Potato masher, use the potato masher. Mortar, put garlic in the mortar. Lemon squeezer, squeeze the lemon. Skimmer, use the skimmer carefully. Grind stone, grind the spices on the grindstone. Churner, use the churner to make buttermilk. ऐसी और वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।